Monday again. And I got a question for you. How many Mondays you think you got left? What's that number look like? Tell you, whatever that number is, it's a finite number. We only get so many days. So don't waste them. Make them count. What's stopping you? Are you too tired? Didn't get enough sleep? Don't have enough energy? Don't have enough time? Is that what's stopping you right now? Don't have enough money? Is that the thing? Or is the thing that's stopping you, you? Go and get some this Monday and get some every day. Sometimes you gotta do something that you don't want to do. Sometimes I gotta do something that I don't want to do. Maybe it's a workout I don't feel like doing. Maybe it's a job I don't feel like doing. Maybe it's some meaningless task that I gotta do that I don't feel like doing. When I get something like that, I recommend you make the right choice, the hard choice. You know what I do? I do it harder. So if you got that choice between being soft and being hard, between being lazy and being disciplined, something you don't like, get after it. Go harder. I know people want some motivation on Monday. Monday motivation. Do better. Pretty straightforward. And a pretty good attitude to have every single day. Get out there and do what you're supposed to do, whether you feel like it or not. The game you're playing is too easy. The weights you're lifting are too light. If you never fall down, then you're not running hard enough. So, step it up. Have a good Monday, y'all. Go get some! You can't get time back. When it's gone, it's gone. Since you can't get it back, make it count. Every second, every day. Go get some!